Hi everyone. Today we're going to go through the process of replacing your air filter, or air cleaner element. This needs to be done every 7,600 miles, or 12,000 kilometers, unless you have an aftermarket air filter, in which case you could do this a little less frequently. For example, today I am actually replacing mine with the K&N air filter. Now for this process, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a new air filter. The stock part number for the air filter is 11013-0712. And if you want a K&N, it is part number KA-1111. I have links to those in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to get to our air cleaning element, we need to remove the rear seat, the front seat, which I have a video for, your middle fairings, which I have a video for, and your side panels, which I have a video for. You will also need to remove your gas tank. Some people will lift this up. I don't recommend it. First of all, you have to figure out how to prop it up, but second of all, you can actually break the nozzle on your fuel pump. So we're going to remove the gas tank, which I have a video for. And I am going to save you time and just skip right through it. Okay, to remove your air cleaner and replace it, or your air filter element, you need to remove this top cover. And that only requires a Phillips head screwdriver and removing these 10 screws. And then there is one final screw in this middle hole. Once you have those 11 screws done, you need to pop this bracket off. All you do is lift up, move it forward, and lift out your air cleaner cover. Inside your air cleaner, now it might be a little stuck, but just give it a little force. There's nothing you have to undo here. Just lift it out. And then when you're gonna put your new one in, make sure the screen is up and put it in. Now I am replacing mine with a K&N. So I'm replacing mine with the K&N. Model number KA-1111. Says up to 75,000 miles. I will clean it more often than that, but it's a lifetime filter. All you have to do is clean and oil them. Piece of advice, when you go to oil yours, the reason why people complain about these is it messes up their sensors. That is only if you oil it and put it right in, or over oil it, put it right in and take off. What you want to do is set it out in the sun, let it dry, and then put it in after you oil it. Now, if you are replacing yours with a K&N, it's going to be oily, hence why I have the gloves on. But you want the writing to be up. And you just slide it in the same spot your air filter was. And that's all there is to it. Now we go and put everything back together. Okay, putting everything back together, it's the same as taking it apart. Go ahead. Just line everything up. Take your Phillips head screwdriver, hit the middle screw. Don't want to forget about that one. Now, if you did the K&N filter, it might be a little interesting to get started since the screw hasn't gone through it before, but you should be able to just start threading it in. I always like to start with the middle screw first. Now, I did the middle screw first, but alternate sides for the side screws. And don't forget to put the bracket back. And that's all there is to it. Now you just have to put everything else back together and you'll be set. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Stay safe. Keep the rubber side down. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques,
anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.